I'll repeat the song.
Nothing's gonna beat our sun. There's his teeth. There's only one last thing to draw. This thing. There's his other big gravity ball. If Albedo was on Nick Jr., that'd be really shocking. And there he goes. And there he is, folks. That is Ultimate Gravitack. Now that is one big planet. Planet Gravitack is coming to your town. Because this is the big fiery ball everyone adores. Gravitack. Okay, guys. I'm a bit exhausted from today because, well, based on the outside, it's really raining out there. Guess it's Earth's time on Long Island to make it rain. Anyways, that's how you draw Ultimate Gravitack. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And based on the awesome comments you posted below, I'll be excited on what characters you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. And remember, the universe is everything. Can't wait to see what planet Earth has in store for us. Alexa, what is The Martian?
The Martian is a 2011 science fiction novel written by American author Andy Weir.
Looks like I'm going to Mars next. See you later.